to the March Networks Academy with me, Jeff Hanna. Today, we'll be showing you how you can add Searchlight to bring business intelligence to your video surveillance infrastructure. On the screen, I've pulled up our Searchlight application by using the main menu and selecting the Searchlight button down here. There's 6 main components to Searchlight, where we're taking in your transactional information, your business intelligence information, and your operational and security audits and giving them to you in these nice and easy to use dashboards. Your transaction summary allows you to look for statistical outliers of any of your favorite saved transaction reports. This could be transactions over a certain amount of money, or maybe all of your voids or refunds that have hit in your locations. By choosing one of those statistical outliers and diving into those incidences, now we've got our next component, which is the transaction reports. In the transaction reports, I can choose from one of my saved transactions at the top of the list. And these are predefined filtered categories with all of my events from a particular time period that meet that criteria. In the bottom left, you'll see your receipt information from that transaction, and in the bottom right, you'll see the associated video with that transaction from up to 4 different camera angles. Your playback controls are down here. You can even start an export right from this screen as well. We can also provide some business analytics by choosing the people count, dwell time, or queue length reports to get an idea for the activity in my business and what some of those key performance indicators are that we're looking for. By linking transactions with video analytics, we have a wonderful tool in the business rules summary that can drill into specific events that I'm most curious about. In the ATM skimming business rule, we're looking for an analytic mentioning that somebody was in front of my ATM, but no transaction was done at that time. When I review this, I can see, hey, certainly there is somebody approaching my ATM. Maybe it's as simple as them forgetting their card, or maybe they're installing a skimming device onto that machine. By combining an analytic with the transaction information, we're able to quickly identify potential threats to our organization. We can also do this with transactions followed by another type of transaction. So show me a deposit of a check followed by a withdrawal. Maybe somebody's passed a fraudulent check. We also have some other tools inside of Searchlight, like the operations audit. This is a wonderful tool to get snapshot overviews of specific cameras that I've got set out. If I'm a retailer, are my hot and cold cases of pre-prepared food available and readily accessible for the rush hour? If I'm a financial institution, has somebody left cash out and open in the cash counting room? Is a vagrant sleeping in my ATM vestibule or on my property loitering around after hours? You can quickly and easily see snapshots of those specific events, double-clicking to dive into the video and watch it in more detail, or even email that off to folks that need it in my organization. Lastly, in Searchlight, we have the security audit. So anything that shows up as an alarm in our system, whether that's an analytic event or a motion event, or even linked up with your security and your access control panels to show me when my doors are opening and closing. You can see that event at the top listed with specifics of the event in the bottom left and the video resource attached to that event right here as well. Lastly, we have another tool called Searchlight Cloud for any of the hosted customers that would like to leverage cards in a simple and easy to use interface to jump right into specific events that I'm looking for. So similar to what we were looking at with the transaction reports, now we're going to be able to do that people counting, the transactional information, all by looking at these cards to review the statistics associated with those events. So Searchlight Cloud is a wonderful option for any of our hosted customers that want to leverage the business intelligence that their video surveillance system has and integrating it with their other data events in their system. Searchlight is a great application to optimize your video surveillance infrastructure by linking video with key performance indicators driven by transactional or video analytic data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn for more videos.